Back to Product Zone. Today we're gonna unbox and check out this beautiful rocking set of double chairs and table set. Beautiful for your backyard, patio set, front yard, or even your garden. Alright, so we just opened up the box. I did get the gray one. It's a really good quality when I was reading it up. And here we have a couple of the screws. It's all easy assemble, really easy. You have, it comes with the tool, you have your washers and screw, all Allen keys, so it's really good. It's good when they use Allen keys. And they send you the Allen key right here. And right here we have the instruction. That's how it's gonna look. Beautiful Loveseat set. Rocking, enjoying the nice breeze. It did not take me long to assemble, just follow the direction, and it does come out pretty well. Both chairs hold up to 297 pounds each. The glass table holds 55 pounds. It's weatherproof, rainproof, sunproof. I mean, really comfortable, smooth rocking, by the way. No noise, nothing. Very smooth and comfortable. Beautiful, comfortable armrest. Really good quality material for outdoor, and it's non-slip right there. This is an overall excellent quality for outdoor. Listen, I'm in New York, so this I highly recommend because we got snow, we got rain, we got sun. This is great for your back patio, front patio, even your garden or wherever you like. It's all connected together. Overall, very good quality. Price and details, check in the description box below. I will leave every single thing, the links directly to Amazon, so you could go ahead and read up whatever more extra you need to know. But I'm gonna tell you, my dog approve, my kids approve, and I approve here. Thumbs up on Product Zone. Overall, it's a great quality. Beautiful. Doggy love it. This is approved by the doggies. It's a good quality. I'm gonna tell you, if it was cheesy, you guys know in Product Zone I always let you know the truth. It's not cheesy. It's a great quality. What I love most about it, the rocking is smooth, really smooth. Love the way they make it. See that? Love the way they make it. And how it's all weatherproof. It's a plus here in New York because we have snow, we have rain, we have hot sun, heavy wind. So this is something that I really look forward for and I need. I gotta tell you, 5-star in my book. We love it and I can't go wrong. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone. Any question, comment below. I will answer your question. And check this out, go in the description box and take a look for the price, and the detail is good price and it's good quality overall.